Welcome to Monash University and to the Master of Information Technology. My name is Dr. Guido Tack and I'm your course director. Together with the broader teaching team, some of whom I'll introduce you to shortly, we are very excited to have you join our IT community. In this presentation, we will go through the options, structure, and requirements of your course, and we will give you some important information that will help you to set you up for success. We are here to help you choose the right course pathway and make the most of your Monash University experience. So let's start off by looking into the specifics of our course and how it is structured. The Master of IT degree will provide you with the knowledge, understanding, and skills that you need to deal with advanced issues in the field of IT. The course will prepare you to apply your new knowledge and skills in various domains, because as I'm sure you are aware, information technology really pervades almost all aspects of modern life. The course is structured into 3 parts: foundation units, core units, and advanced practice. The foundation units give you a solid introduction to information technology. The core units then build on that foundation and focus on project management, software development, networks and systems, as well as a choice of units across many areas. And this includes, for example, app development, user interface design and usability, business intelligence, and database technology. In addition, you can choose from a broad range of electives across the entire spectrum of our faculty. Finally, the advanced practice stream has 2 options. You can choose either a research pathway, including a thesis, or coursework involving an industry experience studio project. In the Industry Experience project, you work with a team of fellow students to analyze data and develop a concrete IT solution under the theme of IT for social good. You get expert guidance from industry and academic mentors throughout your entire project. Now, for those of you who are considering to do a PhD afterwards, the research stream will allow you to expand your knowledge in a field of interest and to stand out in your chosen field and really start your academic career. Let's now look at the units that you will undertake in the first 2 semesters of your course. So here you can see the foundation units that you should be enrolled in for this semester. They are Programming Foundations in Java, Introduction to Databases, Algorithms and Programming Foundations in Python, and Introduction to Computer Architecture and Networks. Next semester, we suggest that you complete the 3 mandatory core units: Project Management, Software Engineering, and Research Methods. In addition, you can choose a further core unit. We're now going to hear a bit more about these units from the teaching teams to give you some insight into what is to come.
Hi guys, and welcome to Monash. My name is Chan and I'm part of the teaching team for FIT 5057, which is about project management. And that unit is a core unit in the Masters of Business Information Systems, Master of Information Technology, and also the Master of Cybersecurity. I really look forward to seeing you in lectures where you'll be actually gaining an understanding of the whole project management process, as well as develop skills that will make use of the project tools and also other soft skills that you need in the industry. If you have any questions about this unit or any concerns, you definitely can reach me via email.
Hi and welcome to Monash. My name is Amin and I am the Chief Examiner for FIT 9137, Introduction to Computer Architecture and Networks. You will see me in some of your lectures throughout your course, but if you have any questions about FIT 9137, you can always reach me via email. It's important to have an understanding of the infrastructure that supports and facilitates how technology operates. This base knowledge about networking technology is needed because our daily lives, tasks, and behaviors are so dependent on the internet nowadays. Please speak with your classmates, tutors, and lecturers and get involved in each bit of every unit. Your teaching teams are here to help.
Hi everyone, welcome to Monash. My name is Chakrin and I am the Chief Examiner for FIT 5136 Software Engineering, which is a core unit in the Master of IT. I look forward to seeing you in our lectures If you have any questions about this unit or have any concerns, you can always reach me via email. Software is everywhere and it is a part of everything we do. Software development is not just programming and writing algorithms. It's about creating software that satisfies users' needs. In this unit, we will teach you all the fundamentals to understand the software engineering processes, including agile activities, tools, and techniques that are used in top software companies. You will learn how software is developed to satisfy user needs, how user requirements can be transformed into software features, how ultra-large-scale complex software systems are designed to be scalable and maintainable, how software is tested to make sure that it is reliable and secure. So the FIT 5136 teaching team are passionate about helping you learn to be the best software engineers that you can be by equipping you with the knowledge necessary to secure a role in a top tech company.
Hi, and welcome to Monash. My name is Chun Yang, and I'm the Chief Examiner for FIT 9136, Algorithms and Programming Foundations in Python. While you won't see me in our lectures, if you have any questions about programming or issues with your learning, you can always reach me via email. Things in the IT industry change quickly. Here, in the faculty, we are lucky enough to witness the rapid evolution of aspects, including big data, cloud computing, and AI. Although there will always be emerging topics, the foundation concepts will always stay true. That is why it is important for you to build a solid foundation in programming, data structure, and algorithm before moving to more advanced topics. This unit provides you with scaffolding you need to be able to further explore cybersecurity, data analysis, AI, and other cutting-edge topics.
Hi, I'm Patrick. Welcome to Monash and the Faculty of IT. I'm one of the faculty's 2 deputy deans, and I have specific responsibility for education. So that means my role is to ensure that our courses provide you with the outstanding learning outcomes that you've every right to expect. I really hope you're excited about starting your degree with us, and although it might feel a little daunting now, I want to reassure you that there are lots of people here to support you and to help you make the most of your time with us. I'm the Chief Examiner for FIT 5125. That's the IT Research Methods unit. This is a core unit across all our master's degrees, and it will give you the skills to plan and conduct research, whatever your IT specialism is. It introduces you to the principles of research design, research ethics, qualitative and quantitative research methods, and how to communicate your research results. Even if you don't intend on going on to do a PhD, research methods are a core skill that you need in the world of work. All the roles that our graduates go on to in industry or government will require them to apply knowledge and skills that they've learnt in the research methods unit. So for example, this could include finding out what current best practice or a leading technology is in a business area, or judging the validity and interpreting the results of a marketing study. Now the units run as a flipped classroom. That's a modern way of learning that requires you to carefully prepare using the videos and other materials we've created for you. Once you've prepared, you attend a weekly 3-hour workshop where you'll work in small groups to apply those skills to problems we've carefully selected. If you have any questions about this unit, don't hesitate to email me.
Having heard a bit more about what your first 2 semesters will involve, let's now look at how the rest of your course is structured. The information we're going to go through has been sourced from the Master of IT course map, which is hyperlinked in this slide for your reference. We've discussed the mandatory core units, which you can see in yellow, but you're also able to select 3 MIT core units from 11 on offer to further focus your studies. These are colored blue. In addition, you can select 3 level 5 electives, which are colored green. At least 2 of these elective units must be from the Faculty of IT. For example, you could choose electives that are part of our Master of Data Science, Master of AI, or Master of Cybersecurity degrees. And one of the level 5 electives can be from another faculty. It is critical that you plan ahead and determine if the electives that you choose have any prerequisites. A prerequisite unit is a unit which you must complete before enrolling in a subsequent unit. For example, you must complete FIT 9131, Introduction to Java, before enrolling in FIT 5136, Software Engineering. If you decide to take the industry experience pathway, then your final semester of the Master of IT course consists of the capstone industry experience components. The industry experience studio project is worth 12 credit points, a double unit, and requires you to draw on your innovative and entrepreneurial mindset to analyze data to develop IT solutions. You will work with peers from other master's courses to broaden your discipline exposure in an industry-like setting. The professional practice unit provides insight into a range of workplace requirements, including organizational and professional communication, teamwork, and cross-cultural awareness. If you haven't done so already, I really encourage you to review the core units on offer to ensure you're making informed decisions. It is very important that you use not only the course map, but also the 2020 course handbook to make sure that you're aware of your course requirements. Now let's have a look at the differences if you're interested in pursuing the research pathway. Here you can see that following the research stream changes the timing of when you will undertake your electives and MIT core units. The 3 minor thesis units are colored purple on this slide. The research stream has pretty strict eligibility criteria, so you must complete at least 4 level 5 units, achieve an overall average of at least 75% across all of your level 5 FIT units, as well as at least a distinction grade in FIT 5125 IT research methods. In addition to these hurdles, enrollment in the thesis units is also dependent on available supervisors and projects. So if you know that this is the pathway that you would like to follow, I encourage you to consider our research areas, identify those that are of interest to you, and start to connect with possible supervisors. Through the hyperlink on this page, you will be directed to a website called Supervisor Connect, which will enable you to see the caliber of our research areas and researchers and browse some of the projects that are currently being offered. Just as for the industry experience stream, it is critical that you use not only the course map, but also the 2020 course handbook to make sure that you're aware of your course requirements. So whether you decide to follow the industry experience or the research stream, I encourage you to review the core units on offer to ensure you're making informed decisions and are aware of the prerequisites. The course structure presented here is just an example. You're free to study the units in a different order as long as the prerequisites are met. If you're in doubt about anything regarding your choice of units, consult the handbook or reach out to me and I'll be happy to help you plan your course. If you have completed academic study at a university level, which you believe is equivalent to any of the units in your degree, you can apply for either credit or exemptions. This slide has some details about the options that are available to you. If you applied for credit as part of the course application, your credit has already been processed. If you haven't applied for credit yet, and you still want to, don't worry, you still can, but you only have until the end of week 2 to apply. Please don't leave it too late. This slide has a hyperlink with all the details you need to know about how to apply for credit and what you need to provide and by when. If you have any questions about this process, I encourage you to get in touch with our student services team as soon as possible and they will be able to help you. So now that we've gone through the structure of the Master of IT course at a pretty high level, what's the main takeaway message I want to leave you with? Well, it's that you need to take responsibility for all aspects of your enrollment. So make sure you review the course handbook and the course map, and if you need any guidance or assistance, please ask. Your teaching staff and our student services representatives, and of course myself, we're all here to help you. So make use of our knowledge and experience to ensure that you're on top of what is required and that you can complete your course according to plan. I will leave you here, but it is important that you work through the remaining slides in this presentation to ensure that you're aware of your responsibilities and our expectations of you. Please pay particular attention to the information on academic integrity. Monash University is committed to honesty and academic integrity, and as a Monash student, you must adhere to our shared values of honesty, trust, fairness, respect, and responsibility. Please make sure you know what academic integrity is and how you can maintain it in your studies. The following slides list many resources that will help you understand the requirements. And please ask for help if you are unsure about what is acceptable. In addition, in the slides that follow, you will also find valuable information on how we can help you to develop your employability skills, tips and advice to help you succeed, a summary of the key dates for semester 2, some useful web pages that you can bookmark and come back to frequently, and information on who to go to if you need help. So, work hard, achieve your goals, make the most of your time here, and importantly, have some fun. I really wish you all the best with your studies, and I look forward to seeing you at one of our online town hall meetings. And of course, it will be great to meet you in person when our teaching moves back onto campus.